G'day guys, welcome back to the Coffs Harbour Fisherman's Co-op. Today we're actually playing with a little bit of a treat. We only get these about 18 nights of the year, so this time of the year, 3 days before the full moon, 3 days after the moon, we get these deep sea prawns. They're called a scarlet prawn. Very reasonably priced. They're a soft shell prawn, so today we're going to fry them up, just coat them in plain flour, deep fry, season with salt and pepper and some fried shallot, and we're just going to serve that on a daikon broccoli salad with some Tabasco kewpie. Okay, so what we do with these guys, it's really quite simple. No peeling involved. We just literally just put them into some plain flour like that. Get them nice and coated, shake off all the excess flour, and then just pop them straight in the oil. So just get a nice little coating on there. This really couldn't be any easier. Such an easy little snack, great with cold beer. Really nice little bar snack, these guys. So we'll shake off all the excess flour there. I won't fry all of these at once, but we'll just do a good handful to start with. Oh, we'll get them all in there. Just pop that in the oil and fry them for about 3-4 minutes until they're crisp. Alright, so we're just going to keep them frying through. You'll notice the bubbles will slow down a lot more. You just basically want to get that nice crisp coating on the outside. Okay, so now the bubbles have slowed right down. We'll just lift them out, let them drain off, and then we'll just put it back into a bowl, salt and pepper, and top with some fried shallot. Okay, so while they're draining, we're just going to mix up a sauce now. So this is just kewpie. It's a light Japanese sort of aioli, I guess you'd say. Just put a nice squeeze of that in there. Put a little bit of Tabasco. You can use sort of as much as you want there, just depending on how hot you want it. And just a little touch of sesame oil just for the flavour. Give that a little mix through. Right, now we'll make the salad up, which is pretty straightforward. We've got some coriander leaves, bit of apple, julienne, we've got some daikon, yellow capsicum, and some broccoli. We'll also pop a little bit of carrot and onion in there as well. Just a little bit of extra colour. It's a nice light salad. Alright, so we'll get our plate now. Just a little bit of the aioli there. Just like so. A little bit of salad there on the side. A little bit of lime juice over the top. Prawns out. A little bit of salt and pepper. And some fried shallot. Just crunch these guys up before you put them in so they stick. Make sure you save yourself some in the bowl so you can have a snack while your guests are eating these guys. A little bit of coriander. Just going to tear some more coriander over the top. A little bit more aioli. And some lime wedges. And that's it. Scarlet prawns, Tabasco kewpie, and daikon broccoli salad.